everybody. Thanks for checking out the Power Shift Garage. It's been a couple of months since my last video. I've had a few projects going through the shop here and I've been waiting on parts, so I really haven't gotten anything done on the O2 Ram. But I did get springs and retainers in, and the cam is on the way right now. So I'll have everything to assemble the engine finally. And I've been slacking on ordering parts and stuff. So I'll have everything in and be ready to slap that thing together. In the meantime, I had some stuff going through here. I had a 2011 Malibu that I put a TCM in twice. It's an internal TCM, and Chevy sent the wrong one the first time, or well, a bad one. So, you know, the whole deal. Put it in, took it to the dealer to get it flashed. No communication. Had to redo it. Second time though, it worked out. So then I had to put a water pump and timing set in my wife's 2013 Ford Flex with a 3.5. So if you know anything about the 3.5s, that's an involved job. So I got that done. And then I did some like some maintenance stuff on my buddy's 2014 EcoBoost F-150 with a 3.5. So I recorded a bunch of that stuff, so I'll have some videos coming out. I just got to do some editing and get that stuff together. But in the meantime, I wanted to do an update and let you know about the next project that's going to be in the shop here. So this thing is a 2006 Envoy Denali. It has a 5.3 in it. It's the LH6 5.3. It's all aluminum with 799 heads, like the same heads that are on like an LS2. Same casting as 243 heads. But this engine has DOD. So of course, true to form for DOD, it has a collapsed lifter. So check this out. All right, crank it. Okay. So I have a bunch of parts here to take care of that. I figured if we got to replace the cam to delete the DOD, we might as well, you know, put a decent cam in it. So I'm using the Texas Speed DOD delete kit with over here I've got GM head gaskets, GM oil pan gasket, and then all the rest of the engine gaskets are all Molly and Felpro. I have a new valley cover here. Here is a full set of new Morel lifters and new set of head bolts there as well. And then for springs, I went with the BTR 570 lift springs, and I went with the stage 2 truck cam. So there's the specs on it right there. And over here it's just you know, new gaskets, valve stem seals, new lifter trays. This is a LS2 timing chain damper, oil pump inlet, O-ring. So all this kind of stuff. Should reseal the whole engine, and then you know, new cam and springs, DOD delete. So this is the first LS engine that I've had. I'm looking forward to digging into this thing. As part of the DoD Delete, I'm going to be running HP tuners on it. So I'm gonna buy that software and then tune it here. I've never used HP tuners, but I'm really familiar with the SCT tuning software. And from looking at some videos online and stuff, it seems that the tables are pretty similar. So I'm hoping there's not a huge learning curve between SCT and then going to HP tuners. So we'll see. But I'm going to tune it. I'm also probably going to throw a set of pace setter long tube headers on it, and then just make my own. Me and a buddy are just going to make an exhaust here at the house. I'll replace the muffler. I'll probably delete the cats and turn off the rear O2s in the software, so I'm not getting like a check engine light for cats. So I'm hoping that this will make a pretty good maybe 350, 360 rear wheel grocery getter, dadmobile, and this will be my daily driver. And then once this is done, I should have all my parts for the Ram by that time, and I'll jump back over on the Ram and get that started. So I got a few videos coming and some pretty cool projects in the shop, so I'm looking forward to showing you guys what I got going on here. So thanks for checking out Power Shift Garage, and I'll see you next time.